How to change Apple ID on iPhone. Whether you're giving your device to someone else or just updating your account, here's a full step-by-step guide to help you out. First, open the Settings app and tap on your name at the top, that's your Apple ID. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for the Sign Out button. If you see a message saying Sign Out is not available due to restrictions, don't worry. Just go back to the main Settings menu, scroll down to Screen Time and tap it. Then tap Change Screen Time Passcode and choose Turn off Screen Time Passcode. Enter the passcode, or have the person who set it up enter it. Once it's disabled, swipe up to close Settings, reopen it, and go back to your Apple ID. This time, you'll see that Sign Out is available. Tap it, enter your current Apple ID password, and confirm if you want to keep a copy of your data on the phone. If not, just proceed by tapping Sign Out in the top right corner. Wait a few seconds while it removes your iCloud data, and just like that, you're signed out. Now go back to the top of Settings and tap Sign In. Enter the new Apple ID, or let the new user sign in manually or via another Apple device. And you're done, it's that simple. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.